Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the AOA Studio Slim Brow Pencil. And AOA Studio is one of my favorite makeup brands. It's the ShopMissA exclusive private label brand and it only cost $1. It's cruelty free. I've tried out another AOA Studio brow pencil that I loved, the Sculpting Brow Pencil, and this is the newer, skinnier version of that. So I'm really excited and very hopeful. It has so many 5-star ratings on the ShopMissA website, which is usually a really good sign of a product being really good. I got this in the shade Caramel. It comes in 5 different shades. This is the second lightest shade. All right, so there is the twist up pencil on one end and a spoolie on the other. I'm glad I read the instructions on this ahead of time because it says once you twist it up, you cannot twist it back down. So I kind of want to just start out with a little swatch and see how it draws. Wow, yeah, definitely very skinny. Looks like it should be a good shade for me. So let's try it out in my brows. First, I'm gonna just brush through my brows to get the brow hairs going in the right direction. And let's go ahead and see if I can fill in my brows. So I'm gonna try and do little hair-like strokes. I use a brow pencil to fill my brows in every day, and I am very picky about my brows and how they look. One thing I'm noticing right away is that the color is actually looking very orange for me. We'll see once I completely fill in my brow if I can pull this off. But that's what's making it look the most unnatural, is that the color of the pencil is not matching my brow hairs. I probably could have gotten the shade Taupe, but based off the website, it made it sound like Caramel would be the right shade for me, and it doesn't look this orange on the website. It's looking, aside from the color, it's looking pretty good in the brows, but it's not looking like natural hair-like strokes. It's looking smooth, but it just kind of fills in a more solid look to the brows is what I'm experiencing. But I'm gonna go ahead and brush through with the spoolie. And I do like that it isn't leaving any texture, like it's not crumbling. But yeah, I feel like you can really see the difference in just how orange it looks on me. So it doesn't look natural, like it doesn't fill in my brows. You can still see my brow hairs. It's just like there's an orange layer on top of them. Oh my gosh, oh, it looks so bad on me. I'm gonna just go ahead and fill in the other brow and just try and ignore the color and just pay attention to the formula. It's easy to fill in the sparse areas. It's quick, and I like the texture of it. But I am just very surprised by this shade. I think if it was the right color for me, it would be fine. It does surprisingly have a little bit of hold to it, so it's a little bit waxy, but I don't mind that. I kind of like when my pencil has some hold to it. So this does not work for me. I might try and pick it up in a different shade that would match me better, that I could actually wear, because I like how easy it is to use. Hey, it does twist back down. I just accidentally twisted it up, and I can twist it back down. Weird. Since it's so small, it is so precise. It's still quick and easy to use. I like the formula that it's pigmented enough, but not too soft, creamy that it creates really pigmented lines or leaves any product residue or texture in the brows. So it's a nice formula. This is not a nice color on me. I am kind of surprised that it has these full 5-star ratings because I feel like people would complain about this being so orange, but maybe I just made the wrong choice and chose the wrong color. So if you have tried this out, I would love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below, and very curious what shade you got and if it looks orangey at all. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.